Alright, let's get started. We're going to do these twist sprays. I like to spray a little oil in these rubber boots. Sometimes they get a little dry. And you don't want to tear them up. A little WD-40 goes a long ways. Alright, let's spin this up a little bit. Get that oil around. Now you'll see it'll come right out. Spin it up. Sometimes these get corroded if a bike's been left outside a little while. You can see a little corrosion. With 2 3/8 wrenches, let's put all the slack back into these cables. A little lock nut. Screw it all the way back. You take your time. Sometimes you gotta just go back and forth to eat up that corrosion. The more play you get, the easier it is to install these twist grips. Alright, I'm grabbing a pair of channel locks. I usually don't like to, but you'll see, just to catch that right there. And you're gonna have to work this. This is rusted. This is what I meant. Back and forth, let that oil work. I'm gonna use the PB Rust Blaster. Don't bend anything, just take your time. Back and forth. You don't want to destroy these. And usually it works out. Once you get a couple threads in, you see the way. It's working. This one, we still got the other one. Like I said, oh, you see it's getting tight right there. Let that sit a little bit. Let's go to this one. Let that stuff work its way in there. I loosened it totally up. Patience, don't force nothing. That rust buster, it starts to work. It's a 25 torque bit. That's one. Two. What we want to do is split this casing. There she goes. Not bad at all. I got the top casing off. Now you could turn this. And there goes one. Okay. Do not let this little brass piece get away from you. There's your cable. There's your okay. Push it through. And there you go. Remove the brass spacer. Spray a little oil down there. All right. Now you got your brass piece. We're going to go for the back one. Get it started. Now if you can, you grab that cable. We already started it. Slide it up, and there it goes. That's one. There's our brass piece. Now for the back one. Same game. Usually the front's the harder one. See the way that slides in? Like that. Got it. Make sure your cables are nice. Work this back. Now I'm going to put the hardware back in, and then we'll adjust the cable and go to the other side. Now to adjust the cable. All I'm going to do is take it until I got a little play left. This one was the tough one. What you want is just, you feel that? What you're comfortable with. If you make it too tight, when you jerk your hand, when you're riding or you're parking the bike, the idle will hit. So it really is to your ability. Lock them in place with the 3/8. Now take these covers, very important. You'll see how easy they go on with the oil. If you didn't do the oil, there's a good chance you mess them up. Now under the throttle, you got the star wheel. You could adjust this and put a little drag on it. There you go. Now we're going to take off the left side. Same thing. Remove the hardware. And we'll see how they're hooking these up. Usually it interlocks under here. Let's see what we got. Usually this will lock this on. And then this locks that on. Try to just muscle it. You'll see back and forth. There she goes. Let me put these back together. gotta muscle them on there. Once you get it pretty much. All right, any questions, just ask. Have a great day. Please subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment. Ride safe.